If you've been keeping an eye out for any buzz around the Mavic 4 Pro lately, you're probably wondering what's going on, and honestly, you're not alone. It's been strangely quiet. Like, eerily quiet. Some of the usual go-to sources for drone leaks and news have gone completely silent. Jasper Ellens? Nothing. Igor Bogdanov? Radio silence. Even Osita LV has been unusually chill. It's like the whole rumor mill just hit pause all of a sudden. But amid all that quiet, there's still one name dropping hints and keeping the conversation alive: Mauro Tandoi. While everyone else seems to be holding back, he's been stepping up, filling in some of the gaps and giving us just enough to stay curious. One of the biggest things Mauro Tandoi has cleared up recently is the rumored launch date. For a while, the talk was all about an April 24th release, and many people were holding on to that with high hopes. But according to Tandoi, that's not happening anymore. He's saying that April is officially off the table. Instead, the new target is May 13th. Now, to be fair, we don't know exactly how solid his source is, but he did emphasize that a launch this month is definitely not in the cards. And honestly, that makes sense given how quiet things have been. No teasers, no leaks, no official noise. It all lines up with a delayed timeline. If you're in the EU and thinking about picking one up, brace yourself. Tandoi also dropped some pricing info, and it's definitely on the premium side. The basic version with 64 gigabytes of storage is expected to come in around €2,200. Then there's the Free Fly kit, which includes 64 gigs plus 4G connectivity, and that's estimated to cost about €2,840. Pretty sure that's DJI's version of a Fly More combo or maybe something new altogether. And then there's the big one, the Creator Combo. This one packs 512 gigabytes of storage plus 4G and is rumored to be priced at a hefty €3,780. These numbers aren't confirmed yet, but if they're close to accurate, this is shaping up to be one of DJI's priciest consumer drones to date. Now, when it comes to charging, there's actually some good news, especially if you're eyeing the higher-tier bundles. If you're going for the FreeFly version, it'll stick with the familiar 100-watt standard charger, which is solid and dependable. But the Real upgrade comes with the combo kits. Both the FreeFly and Creator combos are expected to support 200-watt fast charging, which is a serious step up. With that kind of power, you'll be able to charge 2 batteries at once and cut your charging time down to just 50 minutes. That's a pretty big deal for creators and pros who can't afford to waste time waiting around for batteries to fill up. But here's where things start to get a little messy, especially if you're in the US. The pricing situation there is all over the place, and it's mostly because of the latest round of tariffs. Thanks to new trade policies rolled out under Trump, Chinese imports are now facing an insane 104% tariff, and that includes DJI products. That's a massive blow for DJI, and it's making the US market a real headache for them right now. On top of that, China has fired back with 84% tariffs on US goods, so it's not just a one-sided issue. This trade conflict is turning into a full-blown storm, and unfortunately, the Mavic 4 Pro is caught right in the middle of it. So, what does all this mean for the Mavic 4 Pro launch in the States? Well, for starters, it's probably going to be a lot more expensive, especially for the higher-end versions like the Creator Combo. And that price hike could really cool off the early demand, even among dedicated DJI fans. On top of that, we might be looking at delays, supply chain issues, and an overall shaky launch dynamic. DJI could try to absorb some of the extra costs themselves, but most industry insiders think that's unlikely to last. The more realistic outcome is a shift in strategy. DJI may need to rethink their entire approach to the US market just to avoid getting swept up in all the chaos. Because at this point, the Mavic 4 Pro's launch isn't just about tech specs and camera upgrades anymore. It's become a high-stakes game involving global politics, rising prices, and some really tricky timing.